Hello, seventh graders. Hi. I hope you're all doing well. Today is Bow Day in the Gibson house since we are doing kindergarten here, and my stepdaughter is also here doing high school work. You might hear them chatting or arguing in the background about lunch. I just heard something spill. Anyways, I hope you all are doing well. I just wanted to go over what you guys are supposed to be doing. So today you are supposed to be working on this Instagram post, and it looks like a couple of you have already submitted assignments, so that's fantastic. The big thing is just being creative and sharing something you've learned about this virus. And then over the course of the week, you'll see that you have assignments in the population and resources folder, and they all have due dates. So the next assignment that you guys have is tomorrow, Tuesday, March 24th, which is 5.7. And I had you guys take home your investigation books. So hopefully you have those, but you can do everything online using Amplify. So if you remember, your Amplify button is right here. So if you open it up and launch it, you guys know, and hopefully parents, if you're watching this, you know that Amplify has all the bookwork in here as well. And then I can always send you a video or anything like this conference call with you anytime to help you with stuff. So this is 8th grade. So I'm going to get out of 8th grade. You guys are life science. I'm going to show you in life science. This would be your home screen, right, with all your units. And you would go to populations and resources. And we have been working in chapter 1. So if I remember right, we are doing 1.4. Sorry, back here real quick. And I think we just finished it. It's been a while since I did that. Yeah. So 1.4, so that's the assignment. So you'll be following along in 1.4 right here, and you'll be doing all the lessons. And so if you don't have your investigation book, you can just do it all right here. If you do have your investigation book, then of course you could be doing it in there. I did create some assignments that don't require Amplify toward the end, such as the invasive species, where you'll be using an external link and watching a video on that link using a system called K12. It used to be actually my old neighbor who created some of these links. Kind of cool. Fun fact. But anyways, you're going to be learning about lionfish and how they are ocean's bully, or called invasive species. And then you will be filling out some information, and then your next assignment will be a kind of a long little project being creative and making a wanted poster about an invasive species. And I'm really looking for creativity. You can change the background if you wanted to, but that's just something that's coming up. And then there is a virtual field trip that's on here. And since we are digital, I know there was some alternative plans that I had, but we don't have alternative plans. Everything has to be digital. So you should be taking a trip to the Aquarium virtually and watching this webcam. So let me see if it's opening. There it is. Here's the virtual aquarium. So you're going to sit here and watch it for a while. Look at all those beautiful fish. This is a Garibaldi, by the way. If you ever go swimming in La Jolla, you'll see these fish all over. It's really, really cool. You might see some eels down here. You might see some rockfish. This is a leopard shark right here. Just pointing out some. This big fish might be some kind of tuna. I can't tell. I think here's an eel right here. Anyways, you're going to be drawing this. This is kelp, obviously. So this is a kelp ecosystem. Oh, there's an eel right here too. But when you guys watch it, you're going to see a different scene. Oh, here's my daughter. You want to say hi, Lyra? I'm doing a video for my students. Say hi. Okay. It's Bow Day. I'll get to you in just a minute, okay? I'm taking a video right now. Okay, I'll be down in like 2 minutes. Okay? No, 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
What are we doing?
2 minutes, Lyra.
What are we doing?
I'll tell you in 2 minutes. Go, go, go. Oh, virtually being home at KIT with kids and teaching is so fun. Anyways, you're also going to be doing
Hello.
a Google Earth assignment where you're going to look for our address, and then eventually you'll be doing a food web assignment, and then we'll go from there. If we're still teaching, you guys will have your spring break and all that fun stuff. But it was really good making this video. Can't wait to make more. If you want to send me videos, you can. I would love to see your great faces. If you want to join me in theme days, today's bow day. Maybe I should make a theme day for when I have class with you guys. So I have class with you, by the way, or our lab hours, and so the conferences will be right here. So I set it up already. So they're right here, and then once I start this conference, you'll be able to click on this. And if you guys have any suggestions for a theme, maybe we can all be our favorite insect, animal. If you got any ideas, let me know. I would love to know. All right. See you all later. I hope you're all being safe and wash your hands really good. Try not to use that antibacterial that much. Just wash your hands really, really good and sing and all that kind of stuff. All right. Bye.